Kung sino lang ang member ko, yan na ang may the one is my responsibility. If my member, the one is say to me, open, and then if my member say to me, dance, and then song, can. But if you're not member, go. Wala kang karapatan magsabi sa akin na open. Wala kang karapatan magsabi sa akin ng ganito. Hindi kita i-discuss. Pero, if my member can open what? Mag-open sa mamlay ko, say to me, open the door, like that. And then say to me, dance, can. But if you're not member here, no. Okay?